The EPX model is the top of the line for the Valve 6 heaters. It puts out two different settings, a high and a low setting. At the high setting, it's putting out about 450,000 BTUs. At the low setting, it's putting out about 300,000 BTUs. It uses diesel 1, diesel 2, biodiesel, kerosene, JP1 or JP2, and it doesn't care what you start with or what you finish with. You probably will only need to fill it once a day because it runs that 15-gallon tank for 20 hours at the low setting and 15 hours at the high setting. On the left side is the KBE5L. On the right side is the KBE5S. The main difference between them is the size of the tank. If you look at the L, you'll see it's a much bigger tank. It's 15-gallon. The L is only a 9-gallon. They're virtually the same motors on both of them. They put out about 350,000 BTUs. Now, we've modified the L this year so it has a two-step motor in it, and the S is just a single one-step motor. The two-step motor will run for 20 hours or 15 hours depending on the setting, same as the EPX. The Valve 6 heaters produce no smoke, no fumes, no smell, and they're very quiet machines. They use 2/3 less fuel than a typical torpedo type heater. Very efficient heaters. Your fuel savings alone will pay for the entire cost of this heater in less than 6 weeks. This is the smaller of our two evaporative air coolers. It uses water pumped up through a filter, and the fan draws the air across the water, across the filter, reducing the temperature from front to back by about 15 degrees. It uses about 75% less energy than an air conditioner. There's no heat generated because there's no compressor. The fan will change the temperature of the air from the back to the front by about 15 degrees. It has 3 settings, a high, a low, and medium, and it also has louvers, so it will turn about 60 degrees left and right, which you can set and control.